Mastering the use of may in passive voice. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area of English grammar: passive voice with modals. Specifically, we're going to learn how to use the modal verb may in passive voice sentences. This might sound complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be forming sentences using may in the passive voice with ease. Before we get to may, let's do a quick review of the passive voice. In English, we often use the active voice, where the subject performs the action, like, John opens the door. In passive voice, the subject receives the action, the door is opened by John. The basic structure of a passive sentence is subject plus auxiliary verb, be, plus past participle plus, by plus agent. Now, let's understand modals. Modals are special verbs that give additional information about the main verb of a sentence. They convey ideas like ability, necessity, possibility, or permission. Some examples are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Today, we're focusing on the modal may, which often shows possibility or permission. So, how do we use may in passive voice sentences? The structure is subject plus may plus be plus past participle. For instance, if we have the active sentence, they may finish the project, in the passive, it becomes, the project may be finished by them. Here, may suggests the possibility that the project will be completed. Let's get some practice. Try converting these active sentences into passive ones. 1. The teacher may correct the exams. 2. They may not approve the plan. 3. May I open the window? Here are the answers. 1. The exams may be corrected by the teacher. 2. The plan may not be approved by them. 3. May the window be opened by me? Notice how the object in the active sentence becomes the subject in the passive sentence, and how may is still used to express possibility or permission. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using may in passive voice. It may seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will soon become second nature. Remember, the key is to keep practicing. You're doing a fantastic job with your English learning journey, and we're here every step of the way. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.